Assalamualaikum, my dear ladies. Hope you are doing fine. I'm also fit and fine. Today our topic is Happy Women's Day. We hear the word women empowerment everywhere. But let's ask ourselves, what is real empowerment? Is it just about organizing workshops, selling products, or making grand speeches? Or is it about ensuring that every woman, no matter her background, gets the opportunity to stand on her own feet? We are going to talk about now the truth about women empowerment. Many organizations claim to women for women empowerment, but often they focus only on those who have already financial backing or business networks. What about the homemakers who are financially dependent? What about those women who lost their spouse or got divorced? What about those women who are struggling to restart their lives? So here we take an example. One woman spends hours creating beautiful embroidery on fabric. Another woman sells the final dress made from the fabric and earns a large profit. The first woman, the real artist, gets only a basic wage. This is the reality. The skill is there, but the power is missing. So, what is women empowerment? Empowerment is not just about working, it's about teaching women how to use their skills to gain financial independence and live with dignity. Women empowerment means giving women the tools, resources, support they need to become self-sufficient, confident, and able to lead their lives on their own terms. It's about ensuring equal opportunities in education, work, leadership, and financial freedom. But here again, there is real empowerment versus superficial empowerment. Real empowerment, teaching women skills that help them earn a living, ensuring women have equal pay and leadership opportunities, providing education, financial independence, and decision making, helping homemakers, widows, struggle women build a future, encouraging self-confidence and breaking societal limitations. Okay, now there is the superficial empowerment as well. Let's see what is that. Using women empowerment as a marketing tool to sell products, offering temporary help instead of long-term solution, only empowering women who are already privileged while ignoring others in real need. Token celebration with no real change in policies or opportunities. So, women empowerment is equal to real change. It's a time to stop using women empowerment as a trend and start making real change. Train women in financial independence and business skills, support homemakers in becoming financially self-sufficient, create equal job opportunity beyond token gesture. Also, it's very important to teach your young girls to be warrior, not just a princess, because the world is not a fairy tale and they must be prepared to face challenges with strength and confidence. So on the Women's Day, let's promise together we will not let empowerment remain just a word. We will uplift the ones who need it most, support women in turning their skills into business and raising daughters who are not just dreamers but warriors of their own destiny. That's most important. So empowerment is not a favor, it is a right, and it is the time to make it real. Happy Women's Day. Always believe in yourself and just ready to shine.